The body here is made with the 4 elements and connect to all the internal organs in the body to heal, to relax, and to let go. The healing elements always there. If you offer your time to truly present for your body, to allow yourself to heal naturally. The body here is made with the 4 elements. The earth in our body have elements, the earth and the water, the breathing, the air, right? And the energy, the warmthness in our body. So we get in touch with the 4 elements in the body, and we get in touch with our hearts and connect to all the internal organs in the body, okay? To heal, to relax, and to let go. So if you know how to balance yourself, you know how to exercise daily, you know how to rest the body and your mind, and you already help yourself to have a space in your body, the space in your mind, to heal naturally. The healing elements always there. If you offer your time to truly present for your body, to move your body, to allow yourself to heal naturally. That's why these moments help us to bring your mind back to the body, to reconnect again, to unify the whole body and mind, okay? These movements can help yourself to relax your spine, but also to heal your lower back, okay? So breathe in, raise your hands up, stand your 2 legs wider than your shoulders. Breathe out, you open your palms, stretch your hands, and then you put your 2 palms on your thighs or on your knees, okay? And then from the right side, hold stand to the right. You draw the circle from the right, okay? Breathe in, move your head to front, and then to your left, and then in the back, and then breathe out. Go to the right, and then move front and to the left again, and look in the back, okay? Hold stand to the left. And do reverse again, inhale. Exhale, allow yourself to move slowly. Feel your lower back, to use your 2 legs and your 2 hands to keep balance, okay? Reverse, in the back, and then out. Release tension from your lower back, your neck and your shoulders, okay? Reverse, in, out. Look in the back, in, out. Reverse, in, out. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Release tensions from your shoulders, your hips and your back. So the next one we call the body curving, looking up and down, okay? Breathe in, stretch your hands upward. Breathe out, turn your palms in front of your face. Inhale, move in the back. And exhale. You can reach the ground, okay? Keep your knees straight. You can stand in such a way that you keep your legs straight and you can reach, somehow you can reach the earth, okay? Breathe in, look up. You look up and you raise your toes, okay, in the back. Stand on your toes, breathe out, put your heels down. You press your body and look through your 2 legs, okay? In, look up. Stand on your toes, out, move your body in the back, look through your 2 legs. In, out. And then holding your toes, okay, you can hold in your toes. Breathe in, you look through your 2 legs in the back, and breathe out, you can look up, okay? And then allow your neck to relax, your 2 elbows inside your knees, okay? Look like you sit like a cat, okay? Like a cat, okay? Breathe in, look down, out. allow your hips to open and relax your lower back and tailbone. In. In. That's so wonderful. Open the palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. The next movement we call the cleansing the fist. Okay. Stand your two legs wider than your shoulder. Okay, like that. Breathe in your palms. You push front. Breathe out. Turn your two hands together. Make the fist by the two hands. Okay. And then you lower down. Hold stand to the center. Breathe in. You can punch front the right hand. Breathe out. Allow yourself to clenching the fist. Okay. And move back energy in and out. Allow yourself to release tension. Inhale. Exhale. Bring back the energy. In. Out. In. Right hand. Out. Make a circle. Bring back energy. In. That's so wonderful. And then the next one, your left hand holding the right wrist, okay, like that. We call the clicking heels and resting your lower back, okay. Breathe in, your hands move up, stand by the toes, and breathe out, you massage and click your heel down, okay, and raise your toe a little bit. In. Out. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. That's so wonderful. Breathe in, open your palms. Deep. Out. Slow.